Hey guys, Sam here. I was trying to complete, or not complete, but start on the exhaust that I had bought a while back, and this is the Manifold exhaust. This here is the exhaust manifolds, ram horns, ceramic coated from Speedway Motors. And the problem I have with this one is I was gonna get you guys opinions about welding stainless steel. This is not stainless steel, but this is ceramic coated, and then this exhaust here pipe is supposed to be stainless steel. But I come to do some research. After doing some research, I found out that not all stainless steel is. I always thought you couldn't stick a magnet to stainless steel, but apparently there's different kinds of stainless steel that some magnets stick to it and some don't. But anyway, here's a small magnet. That one's magnet sticks to it pretty good, so it's got a lot of steel other than stainless. But the problem I'm having is that this is 2.5 inch, and that's what the exhaust will be. But here where it connects to the manifold, it's reduced down to 2 inch with a flared outlet here. Well, this will not fit in this. I mean, it'll fit in there, but the problem is it won't bolt down. So if I can do this with one hand. Just a minute. So the flare will go in there. But say you bolt this down, you're gonna have that much play in there, so that ain't gonna work. So I thought, well, maybe a donut will do it. So I'll put that donut in there, and that ain't gonna work. If I can get it in there. Put that donut in there, it helps a little bit with the flared in there, but even though you bolt it down, you're still going to have some play in there. Like I said, this is a 2.5 inch outlet. I don't know if they make these in 2 inch. I couldn't find them. Everything I was looking for, ceramic coated, all these were 2.5. Maybe they do make 2 inch, but this is what I got, and this is what I got to work with. So anyway, I bought these from Speedway. They're called collectors, which that'll bolt onto that with a gasket. So that means I have to cut this end off here and re-weld it. So that was my question, was this is stainless steel, supposedly. I'm guessing it's more stainless than this, because if you take this magnet, it won't stick to it at all. So my question is, all I've got is a MIG welder. I know they make some wire that is stainless steel, that's E309 or EL309 or something like that. They say it's stainless steel wire, and it'll weld to carbon, but I think they recommend a 3 trimixture gas, which I'm not going to go out and buy or rent a bottle for just one, or a weld on both of these. So all I've got is 75-25 gas, 75 argon, and then CO2 25. That's what I've got on that bottle. Anyways, that's where I'm at on that. Anyways, I'm gonna have to end up cutting pretty much of this off. The way that measures, I'm probably gonna have to right at the edge where it starts to curve, probably that much of it off, because I measured it just eyeballing it, and that's pretty much all of it right there. And I know this is going to be close to the starter and close to the oil filter. I may even have to change the oil filter, because right now I've got the big canister type oil filter in the engine, and I may have to convert it to the screw-on filter and get a smaller filter, because that canister sticks way down there. And I was kind of just marking this up the other day, and it's really close to that, and it's right up against the starter. I may have to change the starter to a different starter. Right now I just have the original one in there. Tough Stuff makes a pretty nice looking starter. It looks compact, small, fits inside there pretty good. So that's where I'm at. Anyway guys, I hadn't got much done on the 64, just kind of work's kind of taken over my life here this past year, and that's why I hadn't put out that many videos here, and just been really busy at work. And alright guys, I guess that's it. And the question was, can you weld stainless steel to that, or would it be better just to get one of these that is plain steel and try to use my MIG welder to do that. Alright, thanks guys for watching the videos, even though I hadn't posted in about 3 months, I think. So I'll try to get caught up on the videos. I have a couple of other videos about the not Raptor liner, but lizard skin. Alright guys, see you later.